Hello everyone, welcome. We're going to start a new chapter. That's a very special occasion because we never did this before online. Alright, so this is chapter 5 about plants. And in your textbook you will find it on page 122 in your workbook, workbook B. Right, so we're going to start section 5.1. Maybe you had a proeflesje about a year ago when you were in groep 8 and you were looking for a new school. And maybe you had me. If you did so, you might remember that I talked in class about that I went to the supermarket or to a shop to get some vegetables or get some fruit. And I told the man at the counter, I want that fruit, sir. And he says, well, sir, it's not a fruit, it's a vegetable. I said, no, it's a fruit. No, it's a vegetable. And we came to a discussion. The end of this discussion was me telling you that we in biology, we don't talk about fruits or vegetables. We talk about what we eat from a plant. And most of the time it is the fruit actually. The other parts are the flower, the stem, the leaves and the roots. Those are all parts of a plant and all those parts have functions. The flower is the reproductive organ. So it uses to lure insects when it's brightly colored and when it smells well. And those insects, they bring the pollen grains from one flower to another in order to develop a fruit. A fruit is like a child for a plant. And when it drops the fruit, then the seeds inside the fruit will grow into a new plant. The stems are for a plant are there to keep it upright, to keep it steady, and to transport everything. So the stem is like highways in the plant. Plants also have roots, and they use roots to take up water and minerals they need for their bodies. So if you water a plant, you have to water the soil, because there are the roots in the soil. And they also have leaves, and the leaves are very special because the leaves can do something with sunlight. You might have heard of it, it's called photosynthesis. And photosynthesis means that they have light and they have carbon dioxide from the air and they change it into food, but more about that later. First, let me dive a bit into plants, because plants are beautiful organisms. You see in front of me here, I have a Prezi, and eventually I sent you the link to this Prezi, but not right now, because I want to show you something. And I hope this works. Let's see. Yeah, here we go, full screen. All right. So it says some plants in Nieuwegein, and you already see there are all those names. Okay. I want to go through really quick, and then of course I'm going to do this in Dutch, because the assignment for you is to go outside, find 5 of these plants, photograph them and give them their English and Latin names. All right. So I give you one. Okay. So this is madeliefje in Dutch. In English, the plant would be daisy. And in Latin, it would be Bellis perennis. Right. So you need 5 other ones. Okay. I tell you, short for every plant, I tell you the Dutch name. All right. So this plant here is a grass. And this one is called gestreepte witbol. All right. So this one is een grote brandnetel. En hier hebben we een herik. Dit is een grote vossenstaart. Hier staat rietzegge. Hier staat ooievaarsbek, vergeetmenietje, pinksterbloem, klaproos, rode klaver, scherpe boterbloem, bramen, vogelwikke, straatgras, stinkende gouwe. Dit is witte dovenetel, fluitenkruid, wilgeroosje, zuring, lisdodde, eile dravik. En dit is volgens mij een beemdkroon. En deze plant, daar moet ik even over nadenken. Welke is dat ook alweer? Die ben ik vergeten. Nou ja, goed. Misschien kan jij hem wel vinden als het de enige overgebleven is. Oké, so the assignment is go outside, find 5 of them, give them their English trivial names, and also give them their Latin names. You can find the Latin names if you type in the flower in Wikipedia. It will give you the Latin names. The Latin name is always 2 names. So for example, us humans, we are Homo sapiens. And as already told you, A daisy is in Latin a bellis perennis. All right. So you also have to make photos, 5 photos, and upload them to me. I will send you a form as well to be able for you to create this document. Okay. I wish you good luck, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.